This bomb is called Razon. It is radio controlled in both range and azimuth. This standard 1,000-pound bomb, equipped with the Razon tail, is known as VB-3. The Razon tail contains a radio receiver fed by an antenna which consists of the tail surfaces. Power supply is a 24-volt battery. The final unit is an automatic gyro stabilizer. The gyro controls the ailerons and keeps the bomb from spinning. Thus, at all times during a drop, the control rudders and elevators are in their correct vertical and horizontal planes. Attached to the Razon tail cover is a 600,000 candle power flare, which enables the bombardier visually to follow the complete flight of the bomb. Each tail is carefully checked. The bomb is rocked to determine that the automatic gyro-controlled ailerons are operating. A control stick and transmitter, similar to the equipment installed in Razon carrying planes, are used to test the rudders and elevators. All controls can operate simultaneously and independently. The ailerons automatically controlled by the gyro, the rudders and elevators radio controlled by the bombardier. The completed bomb contains the safety factors of nose arming and tail arming. In addition, through special design, the flare cannot be ignited until the bomb has been clear of the ship for several seconds. Adapting a bomber to carry Razon is a relatively simple process. Special equipment needed consists only of an antenna for the radio-controlled transmitter, the transmitter unit, which weighs approximately 35 pounds, and the bombardier's control stick. Unlike conventional bombing, the Razon bombing run is not over once the bombs are underway. With Razon, the bombardier must keep the target in his sight until the controlled missile reaches its target. Furthermore, he must see the image of the falling bomb in relation to the target. The necessity to see the target and the falling bomb in relation to each other is the reason the Norden sight must be modified. This diagram of the standard Norden shows the mirror which enables the bombardier to keep the target in his sight. The modification is called crab. It consists mainly of an additional small mirror adjusted to the trail of the Razon bomb. It enables the bombardier to see a superimposed image of the bomb as well as the target. This is how a Razon bombing run looks through the Norden bomb sight. Visible is the target and the flare of the bomb. The bombardier's job is to keep the superimposed image of the bomb on the target. If the bomb is falling short, he pulls the stick back. Through the radio control, a skillful bombardier can make corrections both in range and azimuth, thus ensuring pinpoint accuracy. following bomb drops are characteristic demonstrations of Razon control. One of these bombs is Razon, the other uncontrolled. This salvo is pretty well placed to start with. Razon control provides the difference between good and perfect. This group was launched way left of the target. By giving the Razon bomb plenty of right rudder, the bombardier pulls it into the target zone. The uncontrolled bomb lands about 1,000 feet left of center. This pair started left of target. The bombardier gives the Razon right rudder and pulls it across the road. He applies left rudder and guides it back into correct azimuth line before it hits. Incidentally, results of tests have shown that Razon is slightly less accurate in range than in azimuth. Another characteristic drop. For purposes of these tests, one bombardier handled azimuth control, a second man handled range. In combat, one bombardier would handle both. This is a summary report of recent tests conducted to determine the accuracy of Razon. 11 pairs of bombs, one Razon and one uncontrolled bomb, were dropped into a target whose outer circle had a radius of 500 feet. The uncontrolled bombs made this pattern. Here is the result of the 11 Razon drops. The furthest uncontrolled bomb hit was 1,560 feet from center. The furthest Razon bomb was 360 feet from center. If these Razon bombs had been aimed at a target such as an enemy battleship, the results would have been devastating.